Alright, in this video we will be discussing the synthesis reaction between magnesium and oxygen. So a synthesis reaction is a reaction in which you combine two or more substances to make a completely new substance. So in this case, we will be combining magnesium and oxygen to make the new substance magnesium oxide. So what happens in this reaction is 2 moles of solid magnesium are added to 1 mole of oxygen gas to yield 2 moles of the new magnesium oxide.
All right, so for this reaction, we will require a scale, a thermometer, a Bunsen burner, a crucible, and we're going to need 5 grams of magnesium. So first, we're going to mass the crucible, and we see it is 88 grams. Next, we will add 5 grams of magnesium to the crucible, and we see the mass is increased to 93 grams to account for that. We're going to double click on this and show the contents of the crucible just so we can see what's going on inside. As you see right now, the magnesium is a grayish color, very typical of metals. We're going to put the thermometer in, and we see that it is a cozy 21.5 degrees Celsius, which is room temperature. And now we will put it over the Bunsen burner to light. Let's see if it'll let me. There we go. Okay, so turn it to low and watch the thermometer. Temperature starts increasing immediately. And as we'll see shortly, the magnesium should change color as it reacts with the O2. It should turn into a whitish color. And here we are. So the magnesium has reacted with the O2 inside the crucible and has formed magnesium oxide. So now we're going to turn off the Bunsen burner, remove the crucible from it, and put it on the scale. Notice the temperature falling. And now we see the mass is increased to 96.289 grams, which means that the substance now has an additional 3.289 grams in it. And that, of course, accounts for the oxygen. So now that we have measured everything, it is now okay to dispose of our substance and all other materials.
So to recap, what we've done is we've gone through a synthesis reaction in which we've synthesized magnesium oxide. And the way that we did this is we combined the 2 elements, magnesium and oxygen, and we created an entirely new substance, magnesium oxide. And it is turned white, signifying a chemical reaction has indeed taken place, and the increase in mass accounts for the combination of the 2 elements.